Have you ever wondered that why some people get amazing results with AI tools while others get boring or wrong answers? It all comes down to prompt engineering. A prompt is just the instruction you give to an AI. Prompt engineering is the art of writing those instructions in a smart way so the AI gives you the best possible answer. Think of it like asking a friend for help. The more clear and detailed you are, the better the advice you get. In this video, I will demonstrate how a well-written prompt improves the quality of answers compared to a basic one, and then I will share easy tips and examples on how you can craft a perfect prompt. Now I will show you the difference between a normal prompt and well-detailed prompt. So now we will type explain artificial intelligence. And it comes like this. You can look, this is a more generic, more textbook style. Now we will enhance it and we will write a new prompt. Explain artificial intelligence to a complete beginner in simple language using real life examples. Now you can see this is very simple to understand for beginners. We can see real life examples here as well, and this is very easy and super easy to understand. Now we will try another prompt. We will write a blog on fitness. So here is, it has written us the blog on fitness. This is the result it gave us, and now we will paste it. Write a 500-word blog on healthy eating for office workers with 3 practical tips and an engaging introduction. Now this is much better than the previous one. It has got 3 practical tips with engaging introduction, and it is precise. We have narrowed the competition to healthy eating for office workers. This is long and concise as well. Now we will write another prompt as well. We will write explain photosynthesis. And this is we have got. This is very much difficult to understand is this answer, so we will write another one here. Explain photosynthesis to a 10-year-old using a fun story about plants making their own food. So now this is very easy to understand. There's no formula, there's no video formula type things, and this is very easy to understand. Fun story. So this is why you should add more details to prompt to help get the better results. For better results, give AI this prompt formula: role, task, context, style, and constraint. Act as a professional copywriter. Write a blog intro for beginners in AI, simple, engaging, and motivational in under 150 words. So this is the whole prompt now. Act as a professional copywriter. Write a blog intro for beginners in AI in simple, engaging, and motivational style under 150 words. Whenever you use this formula, your prompts instantly become more powerful. While writing a prompt, keep these things in mind. Define your goal clearly. Start by identifying exactly what you want the AI to achieve. Explain with clarity, specificity, and context. Include relevant background details like the purpose, audience, or scenario. Context helps the AI understand your needs, ensuring responses align with your goals, making results more accurate and relevant. Assign AI a role. That's mean telling the AI who it should act as before answering. This helps the AI understand the style, tone, and perspective you want in the response, making the answer more accurate and useful. Guide AI on how you want the answer to be structured. For example, you can ask for the response in bullet points, a table, a step by step guide, or even a short paragraph. This makes the output more organized and saves you time from rearranging the information later. Give AI the boundaries or samples to follow. For example, you can say write a 50-word summary or give 3 examples of healthy snacks. You can also show it a sample style like write in the same way as this paragraph. This keeps the answer focused, clear, and closer to what you really want. You don't have to get the perfect results in one try. Start with a basic prompt, then refine it step by step. By adding details, setting tone, or changing format, each revision helps the AI understand you better, leading to clearer and more accurate results. Now you know the secret to making AI work for you, not against you. If you found this video useful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the prompts you're going to try today. And don't forget, I will be sharing a free prompt checklist in the description to help you practice.